Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on the Samsung S22 Ultra. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically screen recording on Samsung S22 Ultra is one of the best screen recording you can have because it really gives you a compact file size, and you can have a bunch of different options over here. I am only allowed to see it, which is basically the pause and the end, and I can draw actually choose specific places so I can draw, as you can see. And also the Samsung S22 Ultra gives you the S Pen. So it makes things a lot more easier. So there's a feature over here with my face cam, low, okay, and a bunch of different options that you can do. So how we can enable this so we can record and save and have it the easiest way is that there's a multiple ways actually, but the easiest way is that you're going to scroll down from down up here, and you're going to find something called screen record. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you if you want to record only your nothing, like basically only your screen, or if you want to record your screen and your and the application, or basically your phone audio, or your media and microphone. You're going to pick whatever you want, and then once you're going to record, give you all the content that you want to give, and then you're going to click on the you're going to click on the end. You have two different ways to finish it, where there's a control panel that is hidden. It's actually up here, or you can just swipe down and click on stop here to stop recording. So this is basically how you can do, guys, how you can screen record, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.